Hey guys, welcome. Hold on, let me see something really quick because I have all of these boxes. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back. How to feel good even when you don't. Part 1. Always make sure you smell good. Take a shower first. Do what you gotta do. Get you a good skincare routine. I'm not talking about just cleansing. I'm talking about something that makes your skin feel like butter. The smell of it makes you feel like, I want to take me out tonight. Like, what's... Oh yes, this is Golden Owl Skin for Black-owned businesses. Let's go. Whoever this is, body is tea, okay? Body is like sha. The box, listen, it came like this. Cute. Like, this has everything that I am into. Base notes we have here: creamy vanilla, tonka bean, whipped cream, and sandalwood. I love sandalwood too. Middle notes: almond, salted caramel, coconut milk, butter, and caramelized pralines. Top note: sweet orange. That's what that was. That's why it's, oh my gosh, that sweet orange is like it's like a hit. Honey, maple sugar, and hazelnut. And this is all on the back. Here I'm gonna go in and give you a close-up of the foaming body scrub, the oil, and the cream. And I'm first gonna go in with the foaming scrub. The foaming scrub has a really nice texture. It's very thick and creamy. And once you place it on your skin and let the water hit it, it melts like milk all over your leg. It's really nice. It's a really nice effect. And it smells amazing. Next, I'm going to go in with the body oil. It's just enough. That's what I like about it. It's not overbearing. Like, it's just enough. Like, it's not over oily. And place it on my skin and look at the glow. Shining. Yes. And then I'm going to go in with the body cream. This is also one of my faves from the body oil. It's very long lasting, thick in texture. And once you lock it into your skin, it is set for the rest of the day. When I say the rest of the day, the rest of the day. So yeah, once you lock it in, it is set. Overall, I'm gonna give my girl a 9 out of 10 because this is everything. This is the packaging. This is everything. Like, the durability with everything. Like, it's gonna be amazing. I already know, but it's gonna be in the description box below. I will see y'all in part 2 very soon. I can't wait to see y'all. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya.